Hello friends, this video is to show you how to submit your Punnett Square assignment to me, because you have to do some drawing here. First of all, you got to get into Office 365, and of course you know how to do that and where that's located. Then I want you to go down at the bottom and find the apps. Now when you find the apps, I want you to find Whiteboard. Click on it. And this is what you'll see. Then it says create a new whiteboard. We'll start doing that. And here we go. We got our pens and we got our eraser and we can do this assignment. So let's do the very first question question that you have to do for this assignment. First of all, a 2 capital T tall plant is crossed with a 2 lowercase t short plant. What percentage of the offspring will be tall? Now that's your question, but to find the answer, you got to do the Punnett Square. So let's take the black pen, and it can be any color. And here we go. Now, as you know, for a trait, a parent has a parent, and they get a gene from mom, and they get a gene from dad. So here's the first parent, capital T, that's the tall plant. So capital T is the dominant allele. The other plant is 2 small t's. It's a small plant. So T, little t, is recessive. So we do our Punnett Square, capital T, little t, capital T, little t, capital T, little t, capital T, little t. Now, the question is, what percentage of the offspring will be tall? Well, in this case, these are the offsprings, right? They will all be tall because they all have the capital T. They all have the dominant allele. So your answer would be 100% of the offspring will be tall. But now you have to submit your Punnett Square to me, and I'll show you how to do that. You hit share. You hit this and put the share link on. You copy the link, and when you go into assignments, you answer the question. What percentage of the offspring will be 100 tall? You put down 100%, and then you paste this link into the assignment. That's all there is to it. Again, if you have any questions or need any help, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.